Don't you just love roast turkey? I do too. Well, today, we're not making roast turkey, we're making turkey meatballs. Just as good. Who has 4 hours to spend roasting a turkey? If you have 4 hours to spend, you need to find some things to do with your life. Anyway, this is gonna be stay tuned. Bye-bye. Baby, cook that thing. Not bye-bye. Stay here. Watch the turkey meatballs. That's right, turkey meatballs. Turkey meatballs! We're gonna start this off by adding some frozen peas to a pot of boiling water. Then get some turkey meat. More turkey meat. Then get some salt. This is simple, my style of cooking. Simple, beautiful, delicious, luxurious. Maybe not luxurious, but anyway. Get some corn. That's what that is. My mind went blank for a second, but that is corn, I assure you. Sweet corn, an entire can of sweet corn. Then get those peas, which we boiled, and add them in, but not the whole thing. We'll have the amounts in the description below, as always. See, I make it very easy. All right, corn. Next thing we want, peas, I mean. Then next thing we want is garlic powder. That's what that is. What's going on with me today? I'm losing my ability to speak. Speak. All right, and there's no easy, pretty way to do this. You just need to get in there, get dirty, and mix all these guys up very well. You don't want to chomp down on like a huge thing of garlic powder. That's no good. So we're gonna add some oil to a pot. Now that seems like a lot of oil, but the turkey meat has like hardly any fat, so don't worry. You can still handle your diet situation and make these meatballs. It's no problem. Or you could just add less oil, add some, what do you call that, pan, whatever. Anyway, I digress here, guys. What we're doing here is adding meatballs to the pot. You see how easy? And now, see that little sizzle? Do you hear that in the background? That's what we want. We want some sizzling, and we want the turkey meatballs to get brown. That is beautiful. That's gonna taste so good, so good. All right, this is date syrup, if I'm not mistaken. It might be called date honey in some places, but this is easy to get. I'm actually gonna leave a link in the description below on where you can get this on Amazon, but you can find it anywhere. Just add this to your thing. I'll have the amounts, like I said before, in the description. Let it get to a little boil. Add some more garlic powder. This is where garlic powder really shines, when you put it into some liquid, because when it's by itself, it's dry, but the liquid really livens it up. So you want to add some water in there, and then you want to make sure all your meatballs are coated in that sauce. We don't want some meatball all saucy, one meatball have no sauce at all. We want all sides covered, full coverage. Now, add some rosemary, beautiful rosemary. You can just add the stalks in a whole. You see what I'm saying? I told you it was gonna be simple. No need to start cutting off little leaves and stuff. Just throw those bad boys in there. It'll get the full flavor, trust me. And the amount of time you need everything to cook for will be in the description. Now about the sauce, you see how it's not that thick there, like little watery, and you see how it's thick and beautiful right there? So to get it from watery and bland and boring to thick and beautiful, we're gonna add some cornstarch. Very simple, tablespoon of cornstarch, bit of water, mix it up very easily, and then just put it in. And after about, I would say 5 minutes on cooking on a low, medium-low flame, it's gonna thicken up, and then it's gonna be beautiful, like we saw before. So you see this beautiful thing? All that's left is to taste. Oh yeah. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful in your life? Tell me the truth. Honest review, here we go.
If you killed your father and then you made this for your mother, she would forgive you and welcome you back into the family with open arms. This is the best thing you can ever make in your life. Make it and like this video and comment and subscribe and click the bell. It's on one of these sides to get notified whenever I upload another one of these. All right, until next time, baby, cook that thing. Bye-bye.